the algebraic sum, if the algebraic sum of the intercepts on the axis, on the coordinate axis, cut off by tangent to the curve x power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 a power 1 by 3 at a by 8 comma a by 8 is 2 is here. Then a is equal to dash. Is here. First response is 8, second response is 4, third response is 2, fourth response is 4√2 is here. What happened? Right. So the algebraic sum of the intercepts on the axis of the tangent to the curve at point is 2. Then what the a value is here? First, what happened? Given curve equation is x power 1 by 3, y power 1 by 3, and a power 1 by 3. At the point a by 8 comma a by 8, the tangent intercept, the sum of the intercepts is 2. What the a value is here? That's why we find the first tangent equation. Right. Tangent convert to the intercept form. Sum of the intercepts is equal to, simplify, you get the a value is here. Right. So what the curve equation is here? X power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 is equal to a power 1 by 3 is here. Differentiate this one is here. What happened is here? 1 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into y power minus 2 by 3 into dy by dx equal 0 is here. From this one, the dy by dx is equal to dy by dx at the point a by 8 comma a by 8, you simplify is here. The value is here minus 1. Right. Simplify, the value is here minus 1 by x power 2 by 3. Simplify, the value is minus 1. Therefore, the equation of the tangent at the point is here y minus a by 8 into slope x, right, x whatever is here, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Simplify, this one is here x plus y is equal to a by 4, right. X by a by 4 plus y by a by 4 is equal to 1. Right. This of the form tangent equation in the form is here intercept form x by a plus y by b. Right. By hypothesis here, sum of the intercepts is here a by 4 is equal to, right. The simplify, the value is here, right, a is equal to 4 is here. Simplify. So the whatever the second answer is correct. What happened? Right. So given curve, right, the tangent made by the intercept on the coordinate axis, sum is 2, then find the a value. First, given curve, the slope of the tangent, the equation of the tangent is intercept form, sum of the slopes is equal to 2, then simplify, a is equal to 4. Right. చూడండి x power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 is equal to a power 3 అనే వక్రంపై a by 8 బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలపై చేసే అంతరఖండాల మొత్తం 2 అయితే ఏ విలువని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం సమీకరణం, దీని నుంచి ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద ఇవ్వబడిన బిందువు వద్ద a by 8 వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు, సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే -1 వచ్చింది. రైట్. స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus 1. దీని అంతర్ఖండ రూపంలో మార్స్తే x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. అంతర్ఖండాల మొత్తం is equal to 2 ఇచ్చినాడు. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే a is equal to 4. This is the answer. The next question, the curve y is equal b into e power minus x by a crosses the y axis at the point P. The equation at the point P, the equation of the tangent at P is dash. The equation of the tangent at P is dash. Right. So what given? The curve cross the y axis at the point P. Cross the y axis at the point means is here cross y axis x is equal 0. From that point can be taken. Then find the equation of the tangent at the point P. First to find the point P is here. So cross the whatever is here, cross the y axis means x is equal 0. x0 is here, y is equal b into e power 0. Right. Therefore required point P is equal whatever is here 0 comma b is here. So at that point the equation of the tangent is here. Equation of the tangent means first to find the slope is here. So what the slope is here? dy by dx equal b into e power minus x by a into minus 1 by a is here. Right. So, slope of the tangent at the point 0 comma b we want is here. So, the slope is minus b by a is here, e power 0 is 1, right. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is here y minus b is equal minus b by a into whatever is here x minus 0, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right. So, simplify the value is here, the x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is here, right. This is the equation of the whatever is here. This is the equation of the whatever is here tangent. Equation of the tangent is the x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Chudandi. So, y is equal to, right, y is equal b into e power x minus a is the curve. Cross the y axis at the point p, then equation of the tangent at the point p. Right. First we find point p is here. How? Cross the y axis means x0, we find the y value, we get the point p, then the slope of the tangent dy by dx, and the equation of the tangent, the y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, simplify you get the result, right. Y is equal b into e power x minus a అనే వక్రం y అక్షాన్ని p బిందువు దగ్గర ఖండిస్తే p బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు, రైట్. y ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం y అక్షాన్ని ఖండిస్తుంది కాబట్టి x0, దాని నుంచి y వాల్యూ b వస్తుంది కాబట్టి బిందువు p is equal 0, b. ఇప్పుడు p బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవాలి, రైట్. స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవాలంటే మొదట స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు కనుక్కోవాలి, dy by dx స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు, రైట్. స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు మైనస్ b by a కాబట్టి స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం y మైనస్ y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. సో దాంట్లో బిందువు 0, b వాలు మైనస్ b by a, సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Next question, for the curve, y power n is equal to a power n minus 1 into x, the subnormal at any point is constant, then n is equal to dash. First response is 0, second response is 1, third response is 2, fourth response is minus 1, right. So, what the curve equation is given, the length of the subnormal, whatever is here subnormal at any point is constant, then n is equal to s. First we find the curve equation is here y power n is equal to a power n minus 1 into x is here, right. So, differentiate this one whatever is here, n into y power n minus 1 into dy by dx is equal a power n minus 1. From this one, dy by dx is equal to the a power n minus 1 by n into y power n minus 1. At any point is given, right, and at any point length of the subnormal is here y into y dash. Right, length of the whatever is here subnormal, the value is here, what the y is here a power n minus 1 into x into y dash is here a power n minus y by, right, n into y power whatever is here n minus 1 is here. So, this value is here, right. Simplifying this one, the whatever is here a power n minus 2 into x by whatever is here y power whatever is here y power the whatever the value is here, right, y power n is equal to y power that value is here, the x is equal to the value is here whatever the value is here a power n, this simplify this one a power n minus 1 into n into y power n minus 1 into y is here. So, the value is here the simplify this one y into y dash is here the y power n minus 2 which is constant is here. Constant means the whatever is here, this one is constant, this is also constant means power is equal to 0, the value n is equal to is here. So, therefore, n is equal to is response, right. What given equation of the curve, we find dy by dx is here, the length of the subtangent is y into y dash is a power n minus 1 into n into y power n minus 1. So, simplifying this one is here, the y power n minus 2 into y power n minus 2 into n into y power n minus 2 which is constant, a constant, n constant, y is also constant means power is 0, n is equal to, రైట్. చూడండి y పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ a పవర్ n మైనస్ 2 వక్రంపై ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద ఉప అభిలంబం పొడవు స్థిరాంకం అయితే n విలువని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. ఫస్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం y పవర్ n ఇంటూ a పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ x, దీని నుంచి రైట్ స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు dy బై dx వస్తుంది. రైట్. మనకు రైట్ స్పర్శ అభిలంబ రేఖ యొక్క సమీకరణం, స్పర్శ అభిలంబ ఉపరేఖ సమీకరణం y పొడవు y ఇంటూ y డాష్, దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే a పవర్ n మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ n ఇంటూ y పవర్ n మైనస్ 2 అనే స్థిరాంకం. సో ఏ స్థిరాంకం n స్థిరాంకం అయింది కాబట్టి y కూడా స్థిరాంకం కావాలి అంటే పవర్ ఏం కావాలండి 0 కావాలి. దీని నుంచి n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. Next question, let f of x is equal to x minus x cube for minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. If the line y is equal to mx plus b, the line y is equal to mx plus b is a tangent to the curve, is a tangent to the curve, is a tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus x cube at the point minus 1 comma 0, then the m comma b values are dash. M comma b values are dash. First response 2 comma 2, second response is minus 2 comma minus 2, third response is 2 comma minus 2, fourth response is minus 2 comma 2 is here. What? Y is equal to fx is the curve equation, lies between minus 2 to 2. If y is equal to mx plus b is the tangent to the curve at the point minus 1 comma 0 is here. Then what are the m value and b value? Right. First observe y is equal to mx is the tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve means is here. So tangent means is here. First to find the whatever is here, y is equal to, right, y is equal x minus x cube is here. First to find slope of the tangent, dy by dx equal 1 minus 3x square. At the point 1 comma 0 is here. At the point minus 1 comma 0. At the point minus 1 comma 0 is simplify is here. 1 minus 3 into minus 1 whole square. The value is minus 2. Right. So therefore, the what about this one? This is the slope of the tangent, and y is equal to mx plus b is also the tangent is here. Both slopes are equal, means m is equal to minus 2 is here. And also the minus 1 comma 0 also lies on the curve is here. Lies on the curve means is here. What happens is here? 0 is equal to minus 2 and minus 2 power 3 is here. Minus 2 and what? Right. The 0 is equal to the lies on the curve as well as the straight line is here. Right. Y is 0 is equal, m value is minus 2 into x value is minus 1 plus b is here. So that implies b is equal to whatever is here, minus 2 can be taken. Therefore, m comma b is equal to is here, m is minus 2 and b is also whatever is here, minus 2 can be taken. Right. So this is the m and b values is here. What given? Given curve y is given. Right. And the y is equal to mx plus b is the tangent to the curve at the point minus 1 comma 0. Then find m comma b value. So given curve is y, to find the slope dy by dx, and also same y is equal to mx plus b is the whatever the tangent. Both slopes are equal. Right. From this one m is equal to minus 2. Right. And minus 1 comma 0 lies on the curve as well as the tangent. At the tangent minus 1 comma 0. That's why minus 1 comma 0 lies on the straight line as well as curve. Lies on the straight line. Substitute the whatever is here. Y is equal to mx plus b. Y 0 is here. M value is minus 2. X value is minus 1 plus b is equal to minus 2 from that one. Right. చూడండి y is equal to fx is equal y is equal fx equal x minus x cube అనే వక్రానికి y is equal mx plus b అనేది minus 1 comma 0 బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ అయితే m comma b విలువలను కనుక్కోండి. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం y, దీని స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy by dx at the point minus 1 comma 0 బిందువు వద్ద కనుక్కున్నాం. ఈ విలువ ఏమొచ్చిందండి? minus 2 వచ్చింది. అదేవిధంగా y is equal mx plus b అనేది కూడా స్పర్శరేఖ, దీని వాళ్ళు m, రెండు కూడా స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళలే కాబట్టి m is equal minus 2. రైట్. అదేవిధంగా minus 1 comma 0 అనేది వక్రంపై ఉంటుంది, అదేవిధంగా స్పర్శరేఖ మీద కూడా ఉంటుంది. స్పర్శరేఖ మీద సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే దాని నుంచి b వాల్యూ minus 2 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి m comma b values minus 2 comma minus 2 is here. This is the correct answer. Next question, the number of points on the curve, y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x at which the tangent are parallel to the line y is equal to 2x or dash. Y is equal to x or dash. Only one tangent, right? Two tangent, three tangents and four tangents is here. What happened? The number of points on the curve at which the tangent parallel to the line y is equal to x. The tangent parallel to the line y is equal to x. Then which is of the form y is equal to mx, slope is 2, right? Tangent parallel lines, two lines are parallel, then slope is equal minus 2. Simplify, we get the number of points can be taken. Okay, right. That's why first curve equation is here, y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x is here, right. Slope of the tangent at any point dy by dx is equal to is here, 4x cube is here, minus 18x square plus the whatever is here, 26x minus whatever is here, 10, right. The tangent line is parallel to the tangent line. Tangent line is parallel to the y is equal to x is here. Then slope of the tangent, slope of the whatever the tangent is equal to is here. What the slope of the tangent is here? 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10 is equal whatever is here to. If simplify this one is here, the simplify and 2 take common is here. 2x cube minus 9x square plus 13x minus 6 is equal to 0 is here. So clearly x is equal to 1 is root. X equal 1 is root is here. Simplify, you get is here x minus 1, x minus 2, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, right. From this we get is here x equal 1, 2 and whatever is here 3 by 2. The number of points are whatever is here. At 3 points are the tangents are parallel to y is equal to x, right. Given curve, right, tangent are parallel to the y is equal to x, then how many number of the whatever the how many number of points is here at which the tangent parallel to the line y is equal to x, but given curve, right, and find the slope dy by dx, right, slope of the tangent and slope of the tangent parallel to the what is the y is equal to x. That's why slope is equal, right, slope of the tangent is equal to, simplify, we get how many x values are 3 values is here. At 3 points that you would rather tangent is here which are parallel to the y is equal to x. చూడండి y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x అనే వక్రంపై ఎన్ని బిందువుల వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖలు y is equal to x సరళరేఖకి సమాంతరంగా ఉంటాయి. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం, రైట్, దీని నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy by dx, స్పర్శరేఖ y is equal to x సమానంగా ఉన్నది కాబట్టి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు అనేది dy by dx అని 2కి సమానం కావాలి. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే xకి 3 విలువలు వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి 3 బిందువుల వద్ద గీసిన వక్రానికి 3 బిందువుల వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖలు y is equal to x సమాంతరంగా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 3. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, the line y is equal to x is a tangent to the curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, to the curve y is equal to at the point x is equal to 1. If the curve passes through the point minus 1 comma 0, then dash is here. First answer, right, first answer is a is equal to minus half, second answer is b is equal to half, right, third answer is c is equal to 1 by 4, the fourth answer is a plus c minus b is equal to 0, right. So y is equal to x is the tangent to the curve at the point x is equal to 1 and the minus 1 comma 0 is also lies on the curve is here. Then what are the a values, b values, c values and its relation is given, right. So what given is here, y is equal to x is tangent, right. Tangent means y is equal to mx. What the slope is? 1. Therefore, slope of the curve is also 1. What the slope of the curve at any point? dy by dx equal 2ax plus b is also must be is equal to, right, 2ax must be is here. At the point x is equal to 1. At the point x equal 1. At the point x equal 1 means 2a into 1 plus b. The slope must be is equal to 1 is here. The value is here 2a plus b is equal to whatever is here. 2a plus b is equal to 1. And also we write x is equal to 1 is here. X equal to 1 means x equal to 1 lies means is here. 1 comma 1 is here. 1 comma 1. Right, at the point 1 comma 1 y is equal to x tangent to the curve means 1 comma 1 lies on the curve is here means 1 is equal a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is here. From this one we get is here a plus b plus c is equal to 1 is here, right. Next also we observing is here the curve also passing through the point minus 1 comma 0 is here. The curve passing through the minus 1 comma 0 means is here y is equal to a into minus 1 square plus b into minus 1 plus c is here. That imply a minus b plus c is equal to 0 is here. Solving these 3 equations is here. Solving these 3 equations, we get a is equal to 1 by 4, b is equal to 1 by 2 is here and c is equal to 1 by 4 can be taken is here. Okay, right. So that the value is a is equal to 1 by 4, first one is wrong, b is equal to 1 by 2 is correct is here, a minus b plus c, here 2 answers are correct can be taken. Okay, right. చూడండి y is equal to x is the tangent to the curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c at the point x equal 1 and also curve passing to the point minus 1 comma 0. Then find relation between a, b, c can be taken. Right. First observe the tangent is y is equal to x. That's why slope is equal to 1. We get the one equation. X equal to 1 means y is equal to 1 is also another condition. Minus 1 comma 0 is also condition. Solving these three equations, find ABC values. Right. Y is equal to x అనే సరళరేఖ y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c అనే వక్రానికి x is equal to 1 వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ మరియు వక్రం minus 1 comma 0 బిందువు గుండా పోతే ABC విలువలను కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. చూడండి ఇక్కడ వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు x ఈక్వల్ 1 వద్ద dy/dx వాల్యూ ఎట్ x ఈక్వల్ 1 దాని నుంచి 2a ప్లస్ b ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 వచ్చింది. 1, బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ కాబట్టి 1, అనేది రైట్ ఒక వక్రం మీద ఉంటుంది. దాని నుంచి a ప్లస్ b ప్లస్ c ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 మరియు వక్రం -1, 0 బిందువు గుండా పోయింది. దాని నుంచి థర్డ్ కండిషన్ వచ్చింది. ఈ మూడు సమీకరణలు సాధిస్తే a వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, b వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, c వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్. ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం tangent to the curve x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is parallel to the x-axis at the points. Right. So first response is plus or minus 3 comma 0 and second response is plus or minus 1 comma 2 and third response is 1 comma plus or minus, right. What about 1 comma 2 and the fourth answer is here 1 comma minus 2 is here. Right. This is the four answers can be taken. What? The tangent to the curve parallel to x-axis. Right. Tangent parallel to the x-axis. What is the slope of the x-axis? 0. Therefore, tangent to the slope is also equal to 0. Find dy/dx is here. Slope is equal to 0. Solving this one, you get the points can be taken. Right. That's why the equation of the curve is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Right. Differentiate 2x plus 2y into dy/dx is here. Minus 2 is equal to 0 is here. From this one, dy/dx is equal to minus 2 minus 2x by whatever is here, 2y can be taken. Minus 2x minus 2y by minus 2 is here. Right. From this one, right, this the slope of the tangent at any point is here. Which the tangent is parallel to x-axis here. Slope must be is equal to 0. Slope must be is equal to 0 means minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 means is here. X is equal to 1 can be taken. Right. X equal to 1 substitute on the curve is here. What happened? 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0 is here. Y square simplify, y square is equal to 4 is here. Y is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the whatever the tangent at the point 1 comma plus 2 and 1 comma minus 2 is here. At these points is here. The tangent is parallel to the x-axis. What? Given curve. Then tangent parallel to the x-axis. How many points are asking is here? Points can be given. Right. What? Curve equation. Find the tangent slope of the tangent parallel to x-axis means slope is equal to 0. Solving this one, we get the x value substitute, we get the y values is here. At how many points are there? 2 points. At 2 points 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2, that at the slopes are parallel to the y axis can be taken. చూడండి x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖలు x అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉంటే ఆ బిందువులను కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం ఇది. దీనికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy/dx ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద ఈ స్పర్శరేఖ x అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉన్నదంటే స్లోప్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 కావాలి. స్లోప్ 0, దీని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే x ఈక్వల్ 1 వచ్చింది. రైట్. దీన్ని వక్రం యొక్క సమీకరణలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 4 వచ్చింది. y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 2 అనగా 1 కామా ప్లస్ 2 1 కామా మైనస్ 2 బిందువుల వద్ద గీసిన వక్రానికి 1 కామా 2 1 కామా మైనస్ 2 బిందువుల వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖలు x అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి హౌ మెనీ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 2 బిందువులు ఉంటాయి. If the length of the subtangent is equal to 9 and length of the subnormal is equal to 4 at the point x comma y on the curve y is equal to fx, then ordinate of the point is dash. Ordinate of the point is dash. First response 36, second response 9/4, third response is 4/9, the fourth response is plus or minus 6. Right. What given y is equal to f(x) is curve. At any point x comma y, the length of the tangent is 9, length of the subnormal is 4, then y ordinate means y coordinate is equal to how much? This asking is here. So whatever the y is equal to fx is curve is here. Y is equal to fx is whatever is here, curve given is here. Y is equal to fx is here. So whatever the length of the tangent y by m is equal to 9 is here. Right. Length of the subnormal mod ym is equal to whatever is here, 4 can be taken. Right. The value is here, y by m into ym is equal to is here, 9 into 4 is here. 9 into 4, the value is here, whatever the value is here, mod y square is equal to 36 is here, y is equal plus or minus 6 is here. Right. So the response is whatever is here, ordinate on the ordinate of any point on the curve is here, y is equal plus or minus 6. What given? Right. So length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal is given on the any point. Then the what is the y value of the xy is the point on the curve is here. Then the what is the y value? So length of the subtangent y by m, length of the subnormal is ym. So multiply is cancelled. Y square is equal to 36. Y value is plus or minus 6 is here. Ordinate is plus or minus 6. Right. Y is equal to fx అనే వక్రంపై ఏదైనా బిందువు x, 1 వద్ద రైట్ స్పర్శ ఉపరేఖ పొడవు 9, స్పర్శ అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవు ఉప అభిలంబ పొడవు 9 అయితే y నిరూపకం ఎంత అని అడిగినాడు. y is equal to fx అనేది వక్రం. రైట్. ఈ వక్రంపై ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శ అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణం 9, స్పర్శ అభిలంబ రేఖ ఉపలంబ రేఖ పొడవు 9 ఇచ్చిండు. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే y is equal plus or minus 6 వస్తుంది. The next question, if at any point on the curve y is equal to fx, the length of the subnormal is constant. Length of the subnormal is constant. Then the curve will be dash. Then the curve will be a dash. Right. First one circle, second one ellipse, third one parabola, fourth one straight line. Fourth one is straight line is here. What? At any point on the curve y is equal to fx, the length of the subnormal is constant. Then what is the curve? Circle or parabola or straight line or whatever is here, ellipse is given. Right. Then what given is here? Y is equal to fx is whatever is here, curve. Right. Slope of the tangent y is equal dy by dx is equal to f dash x is here. Right. Next, length of the subnormal. Length of whatever is here, subnormal is always whatever is here, constant. Right. What is the length of the whatever the length of the subnormal is here, y into dy by dx is equal to whatever is here, constant can be taken is here. Right. Constant is k. Right. From this we get y is equal to k into whatever is here, dy by dx is here. Right. This is the differential equation, solving is here. So integrating we get is here, y square by 2 is equal to kx plus c is here. The value is here, y square is equal to 2kx plus whatever is here, 2c is here. So this is the equation of the whatever is here, parabola can be taken is here. Right. So which is the length of the subnormal is constant, then the curve must be a y square is equal to 2kx plus c, that is the equation of the parabola is here. Right. So what? Y is equal to fx అనే వక్రంపై ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శ ఉపలంబ రేఖ పొడవు స్థిరాంకం అయితే ఆ వక్రం ఏమవుతుంది అని ఇచ్చిండు. వృత్తం అవుతుందా, దీర్ఘవృత్తం అవుతుందా, పారాబోలా అవుతుందా, పరాబోలా ఏమవుతుందా, సరళరేఖ అవుతుందని ఇచ్చిండు. సో y is equal to fx అనేది వక్రం, దాని యొక్క స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు m ఇచ్చినాడు. రైట్. స్పర్శ ఉపలంబ రేఖ పొడవు స్థిరాంకం y ఇంటూ dy by dx ఈక్వల్ స్థిరాంకం, దాన్ని k అనుకుంటే ఈ అవకలన సమీకరణాన్ని సాధిస్తే y స్క్వేర్ బై 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు kx ప్లస్ c వస్తుంది. ఇది y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2kx ప్లస్ 2c. ఇది పరావలయం యొక్క సమీకరణం కాబట్టి కావాల్సిన వక్రం అనేది పరావలయం అవుతుంది. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ subtangent, comma ordinate, comma the length of subnormal, the length of subnormal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to 4ax at a point different from origin or in dash, arithmetic progression or geometric progression or harmonic progression or the fourth response is none can be taken, right. So what happened? Y square is equal to 4ax curve, y square is equal to 4ax parabola. Other than the origin, the length of the subtangent, the y coordinate and the length of the subnormal are in which progression? Arithmetic arc can be taken. First given curve is y square is equal to 4ax is here, right. First we find length of the subtangent is here, 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4ax is here, 4a is here. So from this one, whatever the slope dy by dx equal, right, whatever is here, 2a by y is here, right. Next first one, length of subtangent, length of whatever is here, subtangent. What is the length of subtangent is here? Length of subtangent is equal y by dy by dx is here, right. Length of subtangent is y by 2x is here. So the value is y by 2a by y is equal to y square by 2a is here. And ordinate is equal to what? At any point on the curve is y. Next length of the subnormal, length of the whatever is here, subnormal is here. Subnormal is equal to y into dy by dx is here, right. Y into 2a by y is here, right. The value is equal to whatever is here, 2a can be taken is here, right. What observation is here? Y square by 2a, right. What observation is here? Y square by 2a comma y comma whatever is here, 2a can be taken, right. Which are the whatever is here, which are in the geometric progression is here. So the response is whatever is here, geometric progression can be taken is here, right. 2a by y is the common ratio, the progression, the three numbers are in the whatever is here, GP, right. Y square is equal 4ax అనే వక్రానికి మూల బిందువు కాక ఏదైనా బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శ ఉప అభిలంబ పొడవు y నిరూపకము, స్పర్శ ఉప అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవులు ఏ రైట్ శ్రేణిలో ఉంటాయని అడిగినాడు. y స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ 4ax అనేది రైట్ పరావలయం. దీనికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy by dx ఈక్వల్ 2a by y, రైట్. స్పర్శరేఖ పొడవు y by m, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ y నిరూపకం y, స్పర్శ ఉప అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవు y ఇంటూ dy by dx. సో y స్క్వేర్ బై 2a, y 2a ఈ మూడు కూడా రైట్ గుణశ్రేణిలో ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్ రెస్పాన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్, the area of the triangle formed by the normal to the curve x is equal to e power sin y, at 1 comma 0 with the coordinate axis, is dash. With the coordinate axis is dash. First response is 1 by 4, second response is 1 by 2, third response is 3 by 4, fourth response is 1 square units is here. 1 square units can be taken. What? The area of the triangle formed by the normal to the curve at the point 1 comma 0 with the coordinate axis is dash. Right. First given curve is x is equal to e power sin y is here. Right. And point is 1 comma 0. First we find slope of the tangent line. What is the slope of the tangent line is here? E power sin y, differentiation is here, into cos y into dy by dx is here. Therefore, dy by dx at the point 1 comma 0. At the point 1 comma 0 is whatever is here, dy by dx at the point slope of the right is equal to whatever is here, 1. Right. Next the slope of the tangent is 1. Right. Slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by m is equal to minus 1 is here. So therefore, equation of the normal at the point 1 comma 0 is here, y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 is here. Why? Our point is 1 comma 0, slope of the normal is minus 1, and simplify this one is here, x plus y is equal to 1 is here. right. So therefore x by 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1 is here. Therefore x intercept is 1, y intercept is 1, area of the triangle is equal of AB is here, the value is equal to whatever is here, half square units can be taken up is here, right. So therefore area of the triangle is whatever is here, half can be taken. What? Right. At the point 1, 2 given curve, right, find the normal equation form the triangle with the coordinate axis, find the area is asking is here. First given curve is x, from that find, so we find slope of the tangent at the point 1, 0, right, slope of the normal minus 1 by the slope of the tangent, the value is 1, find the normal equation, right, normal equation is x plus y is equal to 1, right. Now slope, what the intercept of x axis is 1, y axis is 1, and area is equal to half AB, the half square units is here, right. 1, 0 బిందువు వద్ద x is equal to 𝗂𝑠𝑖𝑛𝑦 వక్రానికి గీసిన అభిలంబ రేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలతో ఒక త్రిభుజాన్ని ఏర్పరిస్తే ఆ త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యాన్ని కనుక్కోండి, రైట్. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం ఏంటంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు 𝗂𝑠𝑖𝑛𝑦 బిందువు ఏంటంటే 1, 0. మొదట స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళని కనుక్కోవాలి, dy by dx 1, 0 వద్ద కనుక్కున్నాం, ఆ వాల్యూ ఎంత అండి 1. ఇప్పుడు రైట్ అభిలంబ రేఖ యొక్క వాళ్ళు -1/m, ఈ వాల్యూ ఎంత అండి -1. ఇప్పుడు 1, 0 వద్ద అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణం y మైనస్ y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, దీని నుంచి అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణం x plus y is equal to 1, రైట్. ఇది x అంతరకణం 1, y అంతరకణం 1, రైట్. కాబట్టి కావాల్సిన త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యం అభిలంబ రేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలతో ఏర్పరిచే త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యం హాఫ్ AB, దాని నుంచి హాఫ్ స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ ఈజ్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, if delta is the area of the triangle formed by the positive x-axis and the normal comma the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 at the point 1, √3, then delta is equal to dash is here. So first answer is √3/2, second answer is √3, third answer is 2√3, and fourth answer is 6 square units is here. Square units can be taken. But if delta is the area formed by x square plus y square is equal to 4 at the right, so this is the whatever x square plus y square is equal to 4 is the circle, right, centroid origin radius is 2 is here. So 1, √3 is any point, right, with positive x axis, right, and draw the tangent, right, draw the whatever is here normal. So this is the required triangle is here. Find the area, right, of the triangle is here. So what is the answer is here? First we find the x-axis equation is y, x-axis equation is here, x-axis equation is y is equal to 0 is clear, right. Next we find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Before that we find the slope of the tangent is here. So whatever the curve equation is here, x square plus y square is equal to 4, right, 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0 is here, right. At the point dy by dx is equal to whatever is here minus x by y is here, right. Slope of the tangent at the point dy by dx at the point 1, √3 is here, 1, √3 is here is equal to -1/√3. Therefore the equation of whatever is here tangent equation at the point is here y minus √3 is equal -1/√3 into x minus 1. Equation of the normal line is here is equal, right, what happened is the √3 into whatever is here x minus 1, right. Tangent slope is -1/√3, slope of the normal is √3, right. So solving this the first equation, this the second equation, this the third equation is here, solving the three equations is here, right. Vertices are 0, 0, right, 0, 0 is here and 4, 0 is here, and the 0, whatever is here √3 can be taken is here, right. 0, whatever is here √3 can be taken up is here. So the 0, right, 1, √3 is here, 1, √3 is here. Then for area of the triangle delta is equal half x1 y2 minus x2 y1 is here. So y already one coordinate is 0, right. Simplify the 1/√3 into 0 minus 4√3 is here, the value is 2√3, right, square units is here. Delta is equal 2√3 square units is here. Okay, x square plus y square is equal to 4 circle. At the point 1 comma root 3, we draw the tangent and normal and with x axis form the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. First to x axis equation, right? Slope of the tangent, right? Tangent equation and normal equation. Solving 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 1, we get the 3 vertices, right? Among the 3 vertices, one must be the whatever is here, one must be the normal line passing through this one, origin is here. Right, from this one, right. So, what happened? Area of the triangle can be taken 2 root 3 into root 3 square units is here. చూడండి x square plus y square is equal 4 అనే వృత్తానికి 1,2 బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన అభిలంబ రేఖ స్పర్శరేఖ x అక్షంతో ఏర్పడే త్రిభుజం యొక్క వైశాల్యం డెల్టా అయితే డెల్టా విలువను కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్, x అక్షం యొక్క సమీకరణం y is equal 0. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy/dx, స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం, అభిలంబ రేఖ సమీకరణం, ఈ 3 సమీకరణం సాధిస్తే మనకు త్రిభుజం యొక్క 3 శీర్షాలు వస్తాయి. 3 శీర్షాలలో ఒక శీర్షం మూల బిందువు కాబట్టి అప్పుడు త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యం ½ into x1y2 minus x2y1. దాన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే రైట్ కావాల్సిన త్రిభుజ వైశాల్యం 2 root 3 square units. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ ద tangent, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, if the tangent at P to the curve xy is equal to c square, to the curve xy is equal to c square, meets the x-axis, meets the coordinate axis at a comma b, then P divides, then the point P divides AB in the ratio, in the whatever is here, in the ratio, right? First response is 1:2, second response is 1:1, third response is 2:5, fourth response is 3:5 is here. What? If the tangent at the point P to the curve xy is equal to c square, meet the x-axis, meet the coordinate axis x-axis at the point A, y-axis at the point B, then the line segment AB, right? The point P divide the line segment AB in the which ratio is here. Right. So, what first to find the whatever the equation of the tangent, equation of the given curve is xy is equal to c square, right? Slope of the tangent is 1, right, 1 into y plus x into dy/dx is equal to 0 is here, right? That implies slope of the tangent at any point is here minus y/x is here, minus y/x, right? So, equation of the tangent at any point x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal, at this point slope is minus y1/x1 into x minus x1 is here, right? Therefore, from this point you simplify is here. So, you simplify this equation, x/2x1 plus y/2y1 is equal to whatever is here, 1 can be taken up is here, right? Is equal to whatever is here, is equal to 1 can be taken, is equal, right? Is equal to whatever is here, is equal to 0 can be taken up is here, is equal to 0, is equal to 1. The simplifying this equation from this one, right? So, the meet the whatever is here, meet the x-axis means y value 0, that the a is equal 2x1 comma 0 is here. Meet the y-axis means x0, the value is 0 comma whatever is here 2y1, right? So, then the whatever is here, right? Now, the whatever the p at any point p is whatever is here x1 y1, right? The point p divide the line segment AB in the ratio is here, 2x1 minus x1 is to x1 minus 0 is here, right? The value is here x1 is to x1, the ratio is 1:1 is here, right? Therefore, 1:1 ratio is correct, right? Given equation of the curve xy is equal to y square, from that curve we find the slope of the tangent dy/dx at any point x1 y1. The equation of the whatever is here tangent is x/2x1 plus y/2y1 is equal 1. This tangent meet the x-axis means y0, meet the y-axis means x0, and P is the point is here. So, this the A point is here, P point is here, and B point is here. A is equal to 2x1 comma 0, this the 0 comma 2y1, and P is equal to x1 y1 is here. Therefore, AP length is the AP length, right? P divide the line segment AB in the ratio 2x1 minus x1 is to x1 minus 0. The value is 1 comma 1 is here. చూడండి xy is equal to c square అనే వక్రానికి P బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలను A కామా B బిందువుల వద్ద ఖండిస్తే P బిందువు ABని ఏ నిష్పత్తిలో విభజిస్తుందని అడిగాడు. రైట్, ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం xy =c². ఈ వక్రం నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు dy/dx వస్తుంది. వక్రంపై ఏదైనా బిందువు x1, y1 వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం y - y1 = m × x - x1. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే రైట్, స్పర్శరేఖ సమీకరణం x/2x1 + y/2y1 = 1. ఈ స్పర్శరేఖ x అక్షాన్ని ఖండిస్తుందంటే y0, y అక్షాన్ని ఖండిస్తుందంటే x0. దాని నుంచి a, b బిందువులు వచ్చినాయి. P అనేది x1, y1 అనే బిందువు. ఇప్పుడు P బిందువు AB రేఖాఖండాన్ని విభజించే నిష్పత్తి 2x1 - x1 ఈస్ట్ x1 - 0. దాని నుంచి 1, 1. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద కర్వ్ y - e⁻xy + x = 0 has a vertical tangent at the point, which point? The first response is the 1, 1, second response is 0, 1, third response is 1, 0, and fourth response is 3, 5 is here. So this type of given. The given curve is, one curve is given, has the vertical tangent. Vertical tangent means, horizontal tangent means slope of the tangent is 0. Vertical tangent means parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means is here. So infinite means 1/0, denominator of the slope is equal 0. That's why first given curve is here, y into e⁻xy plus x is equal 0 is here. This is the given equation of the curve is here. Right. Then slope is dy/dx is here minus right. What the differentiation is here? e⁻xy into whatever is here 1 into y plus x into dy/dx is here. Right, plus 1 is equal 0 is here. From this simplify, the slope of the tangent is here. The slope of the tangent dy/dx equals, simplify, the value is here 1 minus y into e⁻xy by the value is here 1 minus x into e⁻xy. This is the slope of the tangent. Right, slope of the tangent is parallel to the vertical. Whatever the parallel to vertical means is here, slope is infinite means 1/0. The value is here 1 minus x into e⁻xy is equal 0 is here. That implies x into e⁻xy is equal to 1 is here. From this solving this one, we get x is equal 1, y is equal 0 is here. So at the point 1, 0, is here, the slope of the tangent is the parallel to the vertical tangent is here. Parallel to the y-axis or vertical tangent can be taken. Right. So first given a curve, right, tangent parallel to the vertical angle at which point is asking. First given curve, right, from the curve find the slope of the tangent dy/dx. dy/dx we get, right, which is parallel to the vertical. Vertical means parallel to the y-axis. Parallel to the y-axis slope is infinite. When 1/0, denominator is equal 0. Solving this equation, trial and error, at the point 1, 0 is here. Right. చూడండి, y minus e⁻xy plus xy is equal 0 అనే వక్రానికి ఒక బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ y అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉంటే ఆ బిందువు ఏంటి అని అడిగినాడు. రైట్, ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం సమీకరణం. ఈ వక్రం సమీకరణం నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు dy/dx. స్పర్శరేఖ అనేది y అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉన్నది కాబట్టి y అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉంటే దాని యొక్క స్లోప్ ఇన్ఫినిట్ అంటే 1/0 ఫామ్లో ఉంటుంది. 1/0 అంటే 1 మైనస్ x ఇంటూ e⁻xy is equal 0, x ఇంటూ e⁻xy is equal 1. ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ ద్వారా సాధిస్తే x1 y0. కాబట్టి 1, 0 బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ y అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉంటుంది. Next problem, if the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is normal to the curve xy is equal to 1, then what is the conditions? What are the conditions imposed on a and b is here? First condition, a positive, b positive. Right. Second condition, a positive, b negative. B negative is here. Third condition is here, a negative, b negative. And the fourth condition is none can be taken up is here. Right, none of the above. Right. If the line is normal to the curve xy is equal to 1, what are the conditions on a and b is here? Right. So what? First the line is normal to the curve. First given curve is xy is equal to 1. Find the normal equation. Normal at any point of the normal equation. Right. Normal line is is normal line. Both are the same line. Slopes are equating. Then we find the a and b values is here. So whatever the given equation is here, given equation of the curve xy is equal to 1. So first to find slope of the tangent 1 into y plus x into dy/dx is equal to 0. Right. From this one is here, dy/dx is equal to minus y by x is here. dy by dx equal minus y by x is here. So, whatever the y value is here, from this y value is here 1 by x is here, from this minus 1 by x is here, the value is minus 1 by x square, right. Slope of the tangent is slope is here, right, and ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the right, is the normal is here. So, whatever the slope is here minus a by b is here, right. So, whatever the tangent slope is minus a by b, normal line slope is minus 1 by x square is equal to whatever is here, tangent slope and normal slope both are the perpendicular lines, values is whatever is here, minus 1 is here. From this, the whatever the a by bx square is equal to whatever is here, minus 1 is negative, x square is always positive, right, a by b is negative, right, a by b is negative means is here, what the a positive b negative or a negative b positive is here, a negative b negative is not possible, a positive b negative is possible, both are negatives also not possible, that is why second is correct answer. What? The line is normal to the line, normal to the curve xy is equal 1, given curve is xy is equal 1, right. At any point the slope of the tangent dy by dx equal minus 1 by x square, ax plus by plus c is the normal line, its slope is minus a by b, right. So, slope of the normal line is minus a by b, slope of the tangent is minus 1 by x square is minus 1. Solving this one, a by b x square is equal minus 1 is negative, x square is always positive, a by b negative means is here, a positive b negative or a negative b positive is here, second is correct answer. xy is equal to 1 అనే వక్రానికి ax plus by plus c అనేది అభిలంబ రేఖ అయితే a కామా bలు ఏ నియమాన్ని పాటించనిచ్చును, రైట్. xy is equal 1 అనేది ఏదైనా వక్రం, ఈ వక్రానికి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy by dx minus 1 by x square, ax plus by plus c అనేది అభిలంబ రేఖ, ఈ అభిలంబ రేఖ వాళ్ళు మైనస్ a by b, అభిలంబ రేఖ వాళ్ళు ఇంటూ స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు రెండు లంబం కాబట్టి వాటి లబ్ధం మైనస్ 1, దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే మైనస్ a by b x స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ 1 నెగిటివ్, x స్క్వేర్ ఎల్లప్పుడూ ధనాత్మకం కాబట్టి a by b అనేది రుణాత్మకమైంది, a by b రుణాత్మకమైందంటే a మైనస్ b పాజిటివ్ అని కావాలి, a నెగిటివ్ b పాజిటివ్ అని కావాలి, కాబట్టి సెకండ్ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 4x minus 5 is a tangent, is a whatever is here tangent to the curve y square is equal px square plus q at 2 comma 3 is here, then the what is the condition, first response is p to q minus 7 and the second response is p minus 2 q 7 and the third response is p minus 2 q minus 2 minus 7 and the fourth response is p 2 q 7 is here, right. This is the condition. What? Y is equal 4x minus 5 is tangent to the curve at 2 comma 3, then what is the p comma q values? This is the given curve, right. 2 comma 3 lies on the curve is here, means we get the one equation, right. And at the tangent is y is equal 4x minus 5 is here, we get the tangent line equation is here, y minus the slope of this tangent slope is 4, the whatever the slope of the tangent equating 4, we get the second equation. Solving these two equations is here, find p comma q values is here, right. So, now we have y square is equal px square plus q is here, right. So, what about this point is here, slope of the tangent first find y dy by dx is equal, right, 2px is here, imply dy by dx is equal, right, 2px by 2y is here, right, 2 cancel, the slope of the tangent m is equal dy by dx at the point 2 comma 3, substituting this value is here, the whatever the p into x value is 2 by whatever is here 3, the value is 2p by whatever the 2p by right, the value is whatever the 2y, the 3 into p square is here, right, 3 into p square, the value is 2p, just write y square is equal p x cube is the equation, p x cube is here, the value is 3p x square, dy by dx value is here, the 3p x square by 2y is here, simplifying this one, the 3p into 2 square by 2 into 3, the answer is whatever is here 2p, but the y is equal to 4x minus 5 is also whatever is here tangent line, both slopes are equal, from this one 2p is equal 4 is here and p implies p is equal 2 is here, and also the point 2 comma 3 lies on the curve, means what happen is here 3 square is equal 2 into 2 cube, right, plus q is here, so solving this one q is equal minus 7, Therefore, P is equal to and Q is equal minus 7 is answer, right. What? Y square is equal P x cube plus Q is the given curve, right. From that curve, find the slope of the tangent dy by dx. Dy by dx value at 2 comma 3 is 2p, but y is equal 4x minus 5 is tangent. The slope is 4 and this slope is 2p. Both slopes are equal. From this p is equal to is here. And also 2 comma 3 lies on the curve. Substituting that one and we get q is equal what? Minus 7. Therefore, answer is p is equal to q is equal minus 7. చూడండి y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ px క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ q వక్రానికి 2 కామా 3 బిందువు వద్ద y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ 4x మైనస్ 5 అనే స్పర్శరేఖ అయితే p కామా q విలువలను కనుక్కోమన్నాడు, రైట్. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రం నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు 2 కామా 3 బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు 2p. ఈ బిందువు వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ ఆల్రెడీ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 4x మైనస్ 5 ఇచ్చిండు, దీని యొక్క వాల్యూ 4 కాబట్టి 2p ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 4, దీని నుంచి p ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 2. అదేవిధంగా 2 కామా 3 అనేది వక్రంపై ఉంది, దాంట్లో వక్రం సమీకరణలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే q ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ 7 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద subtangent, the length of the subtangent and subnormal is equal for the curve y is equal to e power px plus px at the point 0 comma 1, then p is equal to dash. So the length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal at the point 0 comma 1 are equal. Then what is the p value, right? First find slope of the tangent, then m value, then length of the subtangent y by m, length of the subnormal y into m, both are equating, you find the whatever the p value can be taken, right. So what the given curve is this one, right. What the dy by dx is here? Dy by dx equal to e power px into p plus p is here. So the slope of the tangent at the point whatever is here 0 comma 1, right. So whatever the value is here e power 0 into p plus whatever is here p, the value is here whatever is here 2p is here, right. 2p is this is the m can be taken, right. So length of the subtangent, length of the whatever is here, length of the subtangent is equal to, the formula is here y1 by m is here, right. What is the x1 comma y1, right. 1 by whatever is here m, right. Length of the subnormal is equal to y1 into m is here, the value is here 1 into m is here, right. So what happened, both are whatever is here equal, both are equal is here. So both are equal means whatever the 1 by m, right, whatever the 1 by 2p is equal to whatever is here 2p equaling is here, right. So 1 is equal to whatever is here 4p square is here, p is equal plus or minus 1 by 2 is here, right. This value is 1 by 2p, right. This value is whatever is here 2p, both are equal, both equating is here, p is equal to whatever is here plus or minus 1 by 2. Given equation of the curve and point is given, length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal are equal, right. First to find the slope of the tangent m at the point 1 comma 0 is 2p, right. Length of the subtangent y1 by m, length of the subnormal y1 into m, one is 1 by 2p, one is 2p, both are equal, then simplify p is equal plus or minus 1, p is equal plus or minus 1 by 2 is here, right. చూడండి 0 కామా 1 వద్ద y is equal to e power px plus px వక్రానికి స్పర్శ అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవు, స్పర్శ అభిలంబ ఉపరేఖ పొడవులు రెండు కూడా సమానమైతే p విలువని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఇవ్వబడిన వక్రాన్ని y, దీని నుంచి స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు dy by dx, 0 కామా 1 వద్ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాళ్ళు m, దీని నుంచి స్పర్శ అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవు y1 by m, స్పర్శ అభిలంబ ఉపరేఖ పొడవు y1 into m, ఈ రెండు కూడా సమానం. 1 by 2p is equal to p, దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే p is equal plus or minus 1 by 2. Next question, the length of normal to the curve x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, comma y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta at theta is equal to 90 degrees is dash, right. So what, the length of the normal to the curve, parametric equations are given at the point theta is equal to theta by 2, what is the curve, right. First to find slope of the tangent, right. What the given is here, x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta and y is equal to a into 1 minus whatever is here cos theta. From this dx by d theta is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and dy by d theta is equal to a sin theta is here. From this one dy by dx is equal to right dy by d theta by dx by d theta is here. From this one, what is the dy by d theta? A sin theta by a into 1 plus cos theta is here. Therefore, m value at the point theta is equal, m value at the point theta is equal 90 degrees is here. The value a by a is here. The value a is equal whatever is here 1. Right. Therefore, the length of the normal is equal the whatever is here. The length of the normal y is equal root of dy by dx whatever is here whole square can be taken is here. The whatever the y value is here, what the y is equal this one a into right 1 minus cos theta is 90 degrees is here into root of 1 plus the value is here 1 square can be taken up is here. Right. So, the value is equal cos 90 is 0, the whatever is here root 2a is the correct answer is here. The length of the normal is equal root 2a. Given equation of the parametric equation x and y, find the length of the normal at the point theta is equal to t by 2. Parametric equations are x and y. Find dx by d theta, dy by d theta, slope of the tangent dy by dx. Right. So, and at the point theta by 2, we get the m value is here. Right. Length of the normal is equal to y into root of 1 plus dy by dx value is here. At the point theta is equal to, at the given point theta is equal pi by 2. Simplify, we get root 2a is here. Right. ఒక వక్రం యొక్క పరామితీయ సమీకరణాలు x, y ఇచ్చిండు. θ is equal pi by 2 వద్ద అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవుని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. రైట్. పరామితీయ సమీకరణాలు ఏంటండి? x, y. దీని నుంచి dx by dθ, దీని నుంచి dy by dθ. Therefore స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు dy by dx వస్తుంది. ద స్పర్శరేఖ వాలు θ is equal pi by 2 బిందువు వద్ద m is equal 1 వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవు ఏంటండి? y into right y into root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square ఏ బిందువు వద్దండి θ is equal pi by 2 బిందువు వద్ద. దీన్ని సూక్ష్మీకరిస్తే రైట్ అభిలంబ రేఖ పొడవు root 2a.